Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Gear Up Booster subscription step by step. Let's get started. First, go to gearupbooster.com to make sure that you have the app installed. Important note, you cannot cancel the subscription directly from the website. The cancellation must be done through the app or platform that you subscribe from. To cancel through the Gear Up Booster app, open the Gear Up Booster app on your device and log into your account and go to Account Settings. And from there, find Subscription Management. Tap on Cancel Subscription and confirm the cancellation to stop auto renewal. And you can also cancel through the Google Play. If you subscribe using Google Play, just open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon and select the payments and subscription. And go to subscription and choose the Gear Up Booster, then tap the manage and select cancel subscription or pause payment and confirm. Make sure that you cancel at least 3 days before the billing date to avoid being charged for the next cycle. If you have trouble, you can go to the gearupbooster.com and select the Contact Us. Send them a message requesting subscription cancellation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.